Okay.
So
We had this challenge because my cousin spent the night at my house.
hold on. Here's the download. It was July 2nd. We came at like 1 in the afternoon to go swimming, right? So we get home and what's it called? We're staying the night at her house because her grandparents are away. And
We got a big house.
we made like a big old deal. Like first one's supposed to get the nails painted and like the face drawn on
And
it.
there's 2 boys.
Not yet. And no, hold on. And then later on, me and Amanda are like, okay, hold on, we're getting tired. Let's do teams. 2 boys, 2 girls. Two boys, 2 girls. 4 people. And my brother falls asleep, and he's like, no, it's okay. Justin's still awake. I'll be fine. Justin just fell asleep. It is now 6 in the morning. Me and Amanda are still. There's my brother Cisco over there. There's Justin right there.
That's my brother, Justin.
They're both passed out right now.
So, what do you want?
So, after this video, we're about to go paint their nails and draw on their faces. I have a few ideas for their nails.
Okay.
Yep, okay, it's good. And the funny thing is that Justin, he looked at us, he was like, hey, you guys aren't gonna paint my nails, right? I was like, and Amanda's like, it's too early. It's only 6 o'clock.
No, I said it's too late.
It's only 6 o'clock. So we're about to have a little fun. Yeah, see you later, people. Wait. What was I gonna say? Shut the hell in your face. Okay, let's go.